thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. The supplies you would need for this tutorial are, you would need 4 candle holders, 3 vases, 3 LED candles, some flowers, at least 5 bunches of flowers. Now this is a flower ring. It's a white flowers. I put some gold flowers. I just added some gold flowers to this white flower ring. And of course you guys have seen this. I changed out the black and put some white flowers in here. Revamping once again. Also, you're going to need some diamond wrap. If you don't have diamond wrap, you can use some ribbon. Also, you need some stickers. And this sticker that I'm going to put, these stickers that I'm going to put on the vase has the word faith on there and some crosses. Okay. Also, you would need 2 mirrors, scissors, and glue gun. Okay, we're first going to glue our ribbon onto our vase. Measure it. Cut it out. And you can go ahead on and measure 6 of them. And that's just for each one of our vases.
Treat so special.